In this video, I'll show you how to change your location for Pokemon Go. Firstly, go to Surfshark website and download the app, and install it on your smartphone, Android or iOS. Open the Surfshark app on your phone and navigate to the settings, VPN settings, then advanced settings. Toggle on the override GPS location feature. Now, open your phone settings, scroll down to About Phone, and tap the builder number 7 times to unlock developer options. Go back to Settings, System, Advanced and Developer Options, and select Mock Location app, then choose Surfshark. Open the Surfshark app and connect to a VPN server in the location you want to spoof in Pokemon Go. Ensure that the Surfshark's GPS override feature is active, and open a map application like Google Maps to check if your GPS location matches the VPN server's location. Now all you have to do is to open Pokemon Go, and your in-game location should now align with the spoofed location via Surfshark.